How to turn green message back to blue on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. Today we are going to tackle a common issue many iPhone users face. Have you noticed that your message used to be blue but now they are green? Let's clarify what this colors means. As you can see, the green messages over here are regular SMS messages, while the blue ones are chat sent via iMessage. So, if you want to turn those green messages back to blue, you are in the right place. In order to do that, you need to head over to your settings app. Once you're in the settings, you need to scroll down and tap on messages. From here, you need to ensure that iMessage is toggled on and send as SMS is toggled on as well. This way, your device can automatically switch to SMS when iMessage is unavailable, but still use iMessage to communicate with other iOS users. Now, there is no direct way to switch an SMS chat to an iMessage in the Messages app, but I have a workaround for you. First, you need to ensure that you are connected to the internet in order to access the iMessage service. Make sure that the Wi Fi is toggled on, or you can simply enable the data as well. And once you do that, if you head over to your message, you can see the option that says text message. Now, if the other person is also using an iOS, it will be written iMessage instead of text message. That's it. If I could help you with this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.